This is an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj, Class 4th, Subject Computer, Chapter Playing with Multiple Sprites, Topic Components of Scratch. Good morning, all my dear students. I welcome you all to your computer class. Children, in today's class, we are going to study about the components of Scratch. So let us begin. Scratch is a programming language designed for children to learn computer programs. It enables us to create our own games, animated stories, and projects. Now let us understand the main components of Scratch. The first component of Scratch would be sprite. Sprites are the objects that perform various actions in a Scratch project. Scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. By default, the cat sprite is selected and displayed in the middle of the stage. Now let us understand what is a stage. Stage is the main working area to draw pictures to perform actions. Stage is the place where sprites move and interact with each other. It is divided into X and Y coordinates, which shows the position of the mouse. The values of both the coordinates are displayed at the bottom right corner of the stage. As you can see here, after stage we have sprite list. It displays the thumbnails of all the sprites that we have selected below the stage. A block palette contains various predefined blocks that are used to perform specific tasks. Script area, the collection of stepwise instructions given to a sprite, is known as a script. Script area is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a sprite. Now the next component is View Full Screen. View Full Screen mode or presentation mode button is located at the top left corner of the stage. Click on the button to view the presentation of your project in full screen mode. You can also see tabs present on your screen. Scratch provides us with 3 different tabs, namely scripts, costumes, and sounds. All 3 tabs have different tasks to perform. In addition to these, the backdrops tab appears only when we select the stage icon to add any inbuilt background on the stage or paint a new background. You can also see the stage icon is present at the left of the sprite list. Clicking this button will add the backdrops tab in place of costumes tab. Using this tab, we can import any background on the stage. You will also find few cursor tools present on your screen. Cursor tools are located at the top of the Scratch window. There are 4 different tools to perform different operations on sprites: duplicate, delete, grow, and shrink. Duplicate option creates a duplicate copy of the selected sprite. Delete option will delete the selected sprite, whereas grow option, as the name suggests, this option helps us to increase the size of the sprite. Shrink button functions exactly opposite to grow button. It helps to decrease the size of the sprite.